This is my old fridge. I've got a new one coming in 3 hours. I will record that and show you or do photos of it. This is my old fridge. I'm getting a new one in 3 hours, and in 3 hours I'll do a fridge reaction or like this or whatever it is. This is just amazing that this fridge died out. The freezer part died out. Mi refrigerador se murió. El viejo refrigerador. En 3 horas más voy a tener un nuevo refrigerador. EasyDeck Multilingual chileno, Australia. Gracias. Thank you. Bye.